Okay, so I am about ready to do my reinforcement, machine reinforcement steeking on the Solbein cardigan from Mary Jane Mucklestone. I've never done this before, so we'll see if it works. All right, I'm just gonna go. I've got my feed dogs are up. I haven't adjusted anything except the length of my stitch is really long, and I might make it longer. Oh, that's as long as it goes. Okay, so here I go. There we go. Okay, so here we are. I did the machine reinforcement just a minute ago, and I'm just kind of looking it over, and on the other side it looks like this. So I'll be cutting along this little yarn blue guideline that I did before I did the machine reinforcement. And I just wanted to show you what that all looks like. So then up here where the yarn's been carried across the steek, it'll just apparently just catch it all. On the right side it looks like that. So cool. All right, I will stop this, put it on time lapse, and get my scissors ready to go. Okay, so here's the sweater. It's all steeked, cut open. Now I'm picking up to do the ribbing and buttonhole band on the edge. And it'll be okay. I have to do a crochet reinforcement in here, and then I'm gonna do a ribbon trim to hide it. So there's a few more steps here, but it's gonna be a nice little cardi. See you later, thanks.